Join us today at Chill Japan as we buy, cook, and eat gyoza and shumai from a vending machine in front of our local train station. Come check it out with us. In this video, I'm speaking in both Japanese and English, so don't worry and keep watching. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Chill Japan. Mike here. Joining me today is Miyamoto-san from our Japanese language lessons. Miyamoto-san, yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
We have just heard that there's a new vending machine up by the local station. It has gyoza and shumai. So we're gonna go check that out. Come join us. あれ、宮本さん、あれかな。
あ、あれだね。
ねえ。
うん。
何がいいかな。
何にしましょう。
とりあえずこのビーチ餃子はどうかな。
うん。いいです。
餃子。あともう一個は。何がいいかな。あれは？
あ、肉シューマイ。
肉シューマイ。
うん。うん。
じゃあそれがいいかな。
はい。
じゃあそれにしましょう。
はい。
Hey. Hey everybody, we're back at our surf hut. We have our gyozas. Getting the fry pan a little bit hot right here. We're gonna open up the package. And inside is a package of 30 frozen gyoza. And it was 1,000 yen, so that's what, 30 yen a piece? That's not a bad deal. We're gonna put together a set of 6 each here. 皆さん、作り方わかんないから教えてください。
はい、わかりました。
どうぞ。
はい。
ここで座ってます。We're gonna drop 6 each in there. Yeah, you're not supposed to put them too tight together at first because they'll stick.
いっちゃう。
いや、昔から餃子大好きなんだよな。いい感じだよね。じゃあ、これで水を入れて蓋をするんだよね。So we're gonna put the water in now so we can get to steam it, and then we're gonna put a lid on top of it and let them go for about 4 or 5 minutes. さあ、let's go! どうかな？もういいのかな？ You think it's ready?
ちょっと見ましょう。
Okay.
うわ。
Looks pretty good. May I?
できたよ。
ちょうだい。Everybody check that out. I think that looks pretty good. いい感じだ。次は、揚げ餃子に行きましょう。
はい。そうしましょう。
We're gonna start deep frying some more for us. Okay, these are the next ones. We're gonna deep fry these, but they're frozen solid. So we're going to put these in the microwave and defrost them first, or else they will blow up. We don't want that to happen. You did them there, right? So we got the oil ready. We're going to drop these lovely looking dumplings into the oil. こうやって揚げていくんだよね。
です。
これどのぐらい揚げるのかな
3、4分
He says we're gonna put them in the oil for about 3-4 minutes.
Woo! Nice.
いい匂い。That smells really good. なんかね、肉汁って書いてあったんだよね。ジューシー。肉汁。肉汁 is juicy, so there will be some fried, juicy shumai things.
Good job.
Nice. これはからしだよな。醤油とからし。 These ones will be with the shoyu and the mustard. May I? Look at that. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, everybody. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna.
それおかしいか。
いいんだよ。Okay. じゃあ皆さんお疲れ様でした。
はい、お疲れ様でした。
乾杯。
はい、チアーズ、乾杯。
Okay, everybody. I don't know if you can actually see. We made 5 each. There's only 3 left. We had a little tasting session. 皆さんなんかつまみ食いしたの？5個だったじゃん。さあ、まずね、皆さんね、ちょっとだけお塩かな。Okay. So in Japan, before you eat something, or before you eat with somebody, there's a courtesy or a word that you use, and it's いただきます。いただきます。じゃあ、皆さん、いただきます。シュマイからいこうか。
はい、いただきます。
はい、どうぞ。So this is the lightly deep fried shumai. Mm. Ooh. いや、うまい。
おいしい。
すごい。いや、とっても駅前の販売機で買ったと思うんだよな。This doesn't taste like something we bought from a vending machine in front of the station. This is really, really good. Wow.
おいしいね。
皆さん、
はい。
これ美味しいよね。
おいしい。
いや、めっちゃ美味しい。When you have gyoza, there are many different ways to eat it. Some people have it with soy sauce and vinegar. Some people have it with soy sauce, vinegar, and hot sesame oil, which is really good. Today we've chosen to have it with soy sauce and some hot Japanese mustard, which is an amazing way to do this. And of course we have the Aloha shoyu.
I like.
The Hawaiian soy sauce for everybody out there. これ宮さんなんかどっかの店から盗んだの？I just asked him if he stole this from a restaurant in Hawaii. He said no. Okay.
日本で売ってないのね。
そうだよね。
だからハワイの友達に頼む。
So it's not sold in Japan. So he had a friend bring it to him from Hawaii. じゃあ餃子も行ってみよう。Okay. Ready?
はい。
じゃあいただきます。
いただきます。わお。醤油。
餃子。More soy sauce. でもこれもうまいね。This is good too. ニンニク効いてるね。You can taste the garlic in there.
おいしい。
餃子。さっき言ったんだけど、俺日本に来た時に一番最初に食べたのは餃子なんだよね。The very first thing I ate when I got to Japan in mid-1980s was gyoza actually. 成田に着いたらさ、昔はバスか電車で全部上野行ってたじゃん。上野に着いたらもうお腹空いてて、一番最初にラーメン屋でラーメンと餃子食ったんだよね。すごいいい思い出。So I arrived at Narita back in the mid-1980s. There was pretty much only one way to get into Tokyo. You took a bus or a train in to Ueno.
いっぱい食べちゃった。
ね、シューマイ本当うまいね。
うまい。シューマイ美味しい。
まだ残ってるよね。
残ってないよ。
残ってる。ケチ。
失敗ばっか。
Japanese lesson. ケチ。
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 ラストワンだよ。
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. さあ。Bye bye. Thank you for joining us today at Chill Japan. Please like, share, follow, and comment. We'll see you again very soon.